USD up 2-1 against UP. And also up 16-9 here in set number 4. USD winning set numbers 1 and 2. UP panalo sa pangatlo.
Coach Francis,
Saya si Coach Francis.
Of course, they're up against the defending champions in their second game.
Wala yung ngiti na yan mamaya-maya.
And he's hydrating. Mukhang naghahanda.
Sa pawis na ilalabas yung mamaya. And hindi naman siya maglalaro.
He's hydrating, ha? Bihirang-bihira. Makita mga coach.
Mag-hydrate, ano? Before the game. Well, a good point there. Scored by Bersola. And it's Del Rosario checking in for Bersola. 6-point deficit still para sa UP. Set 4. 10 serving 16.
You see? There you go. Good point there for Judy Ann. She was the one who received it. Still given back to her by Lantin. Good cross-court from Judy Ann.
And it's a good sign for USD. Caballero and Banatikla in rhythm here in set 4.
There you go. That set missed by Se. Di nagkaintindihan si Magtalas at si Se.
Was that for Se?
Yes.
That was for Se.
That was for Se.
$18-10 USD. That's
inside.
Oh, that's inside. Wow, good break para sa UP.
Good drop.
They needed that, definitely.
That's Stew with that drop. Again, that same area, Eric, if you remember, that's a spot that UP gets most of their points from the drop. Yung lugar na yun.
Lalo na set 1, ano? Ortiz, that was perfect from Lantin.
Sakto. Look at this running spike. Ortiz all by her lonesome. Wala man lang blockers. Dalawang blockers. Pahabol. Not enough for Micah Ortiz with that running spike.
19 serving 11.
Good serve.
Caballero.
Straight into the tape.
And this is what we've been talking about. Wala talagang perfect rhythm either team. Ano? Walang tempo being set. Just spurts for UP, spurts for USD. Pero right now, if they continue with that, obviously it's to the benefit of whoever is leading. And right now, it is USD by 7.
Ooh. Another one of those back quicks for Micah Ortiz.
That is the money play ng USD here in set number 4. Banatikla winning that against 2 blockers.
Said was very close to the net. Powered her way through. And there you go. Gets it through the blocking. Point. Short play.
Labnan. Wow. You believe the power in this girl?
If you look at her, she's the skinniest among those 6 players on the floor, but she really
that's
the strongest hits.
She sent that to Ortiz.
Oh, tumago sa block, lumusot. So the power was there, obviously.
Iniwasan pa yung smaller blocker. No? Asan ba yung mas matangkad?
Baliktad eh. Ayoko sa maliit. Gusto ko dun sa malaki.
Tunay. Another great play, Carmela Tunay, all that power. And the blockers unable to contain it. 22-13 USD.
Good serve.
And USD now, their biggest lead at 10 points, 23-13. They're pretty much on the way to winning this one.
That's right. After, that road bump they suffered during the third. Ito mukhang tutuloy-tuloy na in this fourth set. Until that serve of
Hindi pa
Micah
raw,
Ortiz.
sabi ni Micah. Masyado maaga pa.
Wag ka parang nagmamadali ka, Doc.
Parang may klinika yata ngayon, Doc, ah.
Hindi, kasi kasunod na natin si Boom and si Mozzie.
Ay, si Mozzie aga pa man din ngayon.
Kanina, aga ni Mozzie. 1 o'clock pa lang yan.
Well, there it is. Match point para sa USD. Cabanos Gutierrez check-in for Lantinan Tunay.
Alexis Cabanos serving for the match.
Nice serve for Cabanos.
Ooh, great save by, almost a great save as Panatitla and Caballejo collide on that final ball.
Nag-agawan pa eh. Kanina nagtitinginan. Ngayon naman, nag-aagawan sila. So, when will they get it right? They should have 1 more point. They need 1 more point to finish this match.
Gutierrez gives it to them finally.
Good play for the rookie Gutierrez.
So, 4-set win para sa USD. Really, a team that really struggled here today. The win in set number 1 was extended, and they lost set number 3. Finally, they came together in set number 4. It wasn't as smooth as they wanted it to be, obviously, because both teams didn't really have that rhythm in set number 4. But nakalamang na, nakaalagwa na itong USD. That's why they were able to keep UP away and at bay to finish off the Lady Maroons in 4 sets. Magbabalik po tayo to wrap this up right after these.